Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Milkbone Good Morning Total Wellness treat you can get for your furry companion. The Milkbone Brushing Chews Daily Dental Dog Treats, Mini, 65 count. This product isn't just another treat on the shelf. It's a game changer for your dog's dental health, and in the next 5 minutes, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Let's start with the big picture. Dogs, just like us, need daily dental care. But brushing their teeth isn't exactly easy. That's where these brushing chews from Milkbone come in. They're not just tasty, they're specially designed to clean your dog's teeth as they chew. In fact, they've earned the trusted VOHC seal of acceptance for helping control tartar. That means real veterinary-level endorsement, not just marketing fluff. Each treat has a patented nub and ridge pattern that scrubs your dog's teeth from multiple angles. This mechanical action helps reduce plaque and tartar buildup, something that's essential for preventing gum disease and bad breath. It mimics the motion of a toothbrush while giving your dog a rewarding snack. But that's not all. These chews are fortified with 12 essential vitamins and minerals. So, not only is your pup getting a dental benefit, they're also receiving added nutritional support in every bite. That's smart snacking. And no worries about fake stuff. There are no artificial flavors, and each chew is sealed for freshness. These are the mini size, specifically made for smaller breeds. That's important because giving a treat that's properly sized ensures both safety and effectiveness. Your small dog will be able to handle the texture without a problem, while still getting all the cleaning benefits. Now, let's talk about flavor. These come in a smoked flavor that dogs absolutely love. The smell alone is enticing to dogs, which means you won't have to fight with your pup to get them to chew. They'll come running for it. The flavor makes it feel like a treat, not a chore, even though it's doing the work of a toothbrush. In terms of packaging, this 65-count box gives you more than 2 months of daily dental care. That's an excellent value, especially when compared to dental procedures or expensive chews that don't come with proven benefits. Plus, having a bulk supply means you're less likely to miss a day, and consistency is key when it comes to oral health. One thing to keep in mind: at the time of recording, this product is not eligible for international shipping to all regions, including India. If you've got a small adult dog, and you're tired of dealing with stinky breath, plaque buildup, or the struggle of brushing their teeth, these Milkbone brushing chews are for you. It turns a necessary routine into a treat they look forward to. To wrap things up, let's put it simply. This is a daily treat your dog wants, that does the job your dog needs. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more honest reviews on top-rated pet products and beyond. See you next time.